If you want to see how I got this braid protective style that's perfect for a vacation, then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Cree and I'm getting ready to go on vacation. So I'm just showing you how my hair is right now. I did some quick twists, but here I am a few hours before during my braid takedown process. I end up making my aloe vera spray that I use on my hair while styling, as well as my flaxseed gel. So if you want to see that, go check out the video. It's up on my YouTube channel. But let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I am sectioning off my hair and starting to part to make sure they look straight. By the way, my hair is stretched, which means I use the blow dryer. That's the best way for me when I do my braids. It takes less time and less tangles.
Girl, you got me high as fuck. Stay on top.
I have 5 cornrows that I'm going to do in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to get ready to get started on that. Okay, here we have my aloe vera spray that I put in the bowl because the sprayer was broken. So I'm applying that to my hair first, then I'm going to comb it out. Afterwards, I'm going to apply the rest of my products. The next one is the mango butter moisturizer. I'm applying that, and then afterwards my oil. Yeah, I put my oil in a feta bowl. I like to reuse old bowls, so ignore that. Last but not least is the flaxseed gel to give my hair a little bit of hold and to kind of slick back my edges. I use the flaxseed gel instead of edge control because it's more natural and it works great.
So far gone, we take it out of space. Don't know where we come from, human race.
So we are getting started with the braiding process. It's nighttime right now. I'm just trying to get a leg up because I have to travel tomorrow. And when I say I am rushing, I don't know why I always leave my hair to the last minute, but I do. But anyway, so I finished the first braid. Now I'm off to another braid.
Take out a rave, moving like you getting paid. Just in 2 weeks worth of blow on one single day. Driven like in an arcade.
I'm trying to be as gentle as possible with my hair. If you see my hair gets kind of bunched up while I'm braiding, I just move quicker that way, and then I end up detangling that part and freeing it and then continuing the braid. It's just my method. So your girl is moving through her hair. I am done with this first section and about to move on to the second. I begin by pre-parting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 braids. So that's what I'm doing for the next section. Inside gets 12 braids. I forgot the last one. Oopsie. And when I finish with a braid, I end up taking a bit of the flaxseed gel and adding it to the ends just to make it curl. And then I add some more to the braid just to give it a slight hold. I decided to do 2 sections of cornrows in the back just to add a slight fullness to my hair. Yeah, I think the extra row just helped a bit, make it look better.
Better check my profile, image of me in your memory. But I'd rather don't smile.
Okay, I'm almost done with the second row of cornrows in the back. That is it for me tonight. When I say it's late, it had to be like, I don't know what time, like 5 in the morning. I'm going to go to sleep for a few hours and get up and do the rest. Like at this point, it's daylight. I don't know why I do this to myself and I end up staying up so late. But yeah. And best believe I haven't even packed for my trip yet. Shaking my head. But I had started my hair extra late, like at 2. So I think I did about 3 hours in. So here I am the next day. Not the next day, a few hours later. But I'm taking my twist down and I'm getting ready to part the front. By the way, guys, I was going to Vegas if you wanted to know, but I was in a hurry right now, so I didn't really record me braiding the sides too much, just really quick, because I was just trying to make this doggone flight. So I finished with the side. I know the parting looks weird right now, but trust me, it looks better when it's done. Just wait. And I'm moving on to the front. I am putting that flaxseed gel, and I'm going to add extra flaxseed gel for my edges again to slick it down. I don't really worry about my baby hairs. It's okay if it hangs out. So yeah. And a random fact, this was actually one of my favorite hairstyles as a kid. I loved it. Like, I thought I was the show nut stuff when my mom used to do my hair like this. You couldn't tell me nothing. So I thought I would revisit it like 20 years later. Okay, I finished the first braid. Now I'm getting ready to do the second. I had like 10 sections in the front. You know what? I think it was at this point I had realized that I did not have enough time to finish my hair before going to the airport. So I tried to finish up this first half quickly, and then I ended up pre-parting the rest so I could do it when I had time. And I had to go rush the pack, so it took me about an hour to pre-part everything, and then I had an hour to pack to hurry up, jump in the Uber and go to the airport. And guess what, you guys? I end up doing my hair in the airport. I know. And I end up doing it now because I refuse to arrive in Vegas with my hair not done. I was like, oh, I hope people not looking at me. But as I was looking around, everybody was knocked the flip out. They was asleep because our flight was like 3 hours delayed. Like, I promise you, I didn't get on the plane till like 1 a.m. But hear me showing you all my stuff. I put my creams and things in bags and packed my oil. I put my flaxseed gel in the bag. I put my aloe vera too. So I was ready and just was making it through my hair. And guess what? I made it through most of the side, but I didn't finish, and I had to finish on the plane. So everybody was knocked out on the plane, including my husband. And I went ahead and pulled my camera and all my hair supplies out to finish this tutorial for you guys. I just had a few braids to go in the back. Still, this is the top section. I had everything clipped up with bobby pins. I was just taking them down. How you feel? Girl, you got me high as fuck. Stay on top. I'm getting close to being done, and here are the results. I finished, thank goodness. I think I spent about 2 hours on the plane. I ended up adding beads. The hubby was still knocked out, and it ended up taking me about 8 hours to finish this hair, but here is the final look. My hair ended up coming out so good. Even the flight attendant that was on the plane was like, girl, you did that. But I love this look. It lasted like my whole trip. It was great. Even from when I was in the pool, it really did serve as a great vacation protective style. So I would definitely recommend. Love with your silhouette. I know you like to show it off on the internet. Put a ring next to where your middle finger set. Got you traded for some drinks and a cigarette. Smoke so thick, I forgot what you told me. Snow caps are the reason for your nosebleed. 5 a.m. once again, no sleep. Can you see your pretty face in my goatee? I hold you tight like a globe. Take out a rave, moving like you
getting paid. Just did 2 weeks worth of blow on one single day. Driven like in an arcade. And what we both about to do ain't gonna be safe.
Here I am 1 week later with a tan and my hair still lasting.
Never felt so sweet.
Okay guys, so I'm nearing the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know if you would try this hairstyle out. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. See you later. Bye.